you don't know where to go and where is the what would you like to eat, and hey, this episode is a little bit experimental. In one of previously episodes I told you that I would like to teach my kid English. I'm not an English guy. I learned English, but in American, most American, not Royal British English. But I learned from TV series, Californication the most, and a lot of NBA games, watching, playing, and others. I would like to record that episode to show you on which level I am, and forgive me but forgive me for my mistakes, but I'm not the English teacher. I would like only to show you that nobody is perfect, and I would like to talk in English. That's just for experiment. Maybe more people come to visit my channel because I talk in English. Maybe that's the experimental way for the channel. Maybe next episodes are in English, so we can teach together, learn together, teach together, whatever. This episode is about how to plan a trip with a newborn. We planned our first family one-day trip and beginning of the April, when Aga has birthday, and Michalina is around 3 weeks. Our destination is Prague in Czech Republic. We made couple mistakes, of course nothing dangerous, but little ones that could be better, could be done better. That's why I would like to prepare a simple guide for those who would like to go to plan a trip with a newborn, with little new member of the family. Maybe you have some advice for me. After this episode I'm open. Okay, let's go to my advice. Firstly, plan your ride with the stops for every 2 or 3 hours of riding. It's good for the baby. You have time to feed a newborn, because Michalina eats every 2 or 3 hours. And for us it's also a good moment to take a short walk, 10-15 minutes outside the car seat for her and for us. So it's better. I know the trip is longer, but it's good for her especially. Check your destinated location: park place, restroom, baby rooms, gastro. This is the 4 must be places in the place where you go. Think about food for yourself. Take something with you on takeaway from home, or check where you can eat during the ride, or on the place where you go, where you can eat your first meal. Maybe you don't have time or searching when you come there. The first place, it's better to know where you go and what you eat. Maybe not, but where you go, especially for the dinner or supper, or what you would like to eat. Can't walk matters, like walking matters. Can't walking matters. Walking with and without child is different. With a baby you probably go slower. You need to check the baby, you need to check the teeth, blanket and others, so you make a lot of stops. So 2 kilometers walk could be a half-day journey. Food again. Try to select places where you go to eat in the place where you go, in the destination. It's better to select 2 or 4 places, restaurant or street food places where you can go and eat, and then you just choose one, but it's better to select one of 4 than one of all what you have in the city or place which you visit. It's time to say goodbye. Decide when you should be in the car and start your comeback ride. Add time to travel back and decide your kid is okay with this hour of coming back. Remember that with the newborn you need to make stops in the comeback also. Our kid didn't sleep different at night or at day. It's 2-3 hours and feed time. And be ready. Prepare that it's not important how well you plan the trip. It's gonna be your plan, it's gonna change at least 3 times during the journey, during the travel. But hey, now baby decide what to do, when and where. So be optimist and try to be prepared for the things you couldn't be prepared. It sounds maybe a little bit scary, but you're gonna appreciate this plan and travel during the travel, this plan and preparation during the travel. You save a lot of stress and stressful situation during the simple things like parking, food, going to restaurant, select the food, or making stops when you prepare for that. Where, when would you like to go? Oh, of course, baby choose a lot and change a lot, but it's good to know what is the destination, and then you can just focus on the place where you go and the place which you visit, so you can enjoy the moment. Was that helpful? Maybe you have some tips and tricks for the traveling with the newborn. I'm waiting for your opinion in the comments section.